Hi everyone, so I wanted to introduce us to the classroom management system called Classcraft. I'm just going to go kind of through here. When you're first getting started, you can just sign up with your Google account. I know our district is a Google certified district. We use the Google Suite, and so all of our students as well as educators and staff have a Google account. You can go through and you can click on a demo class where you can learn to play with it. It works great as a classroom management. It even fits in with the PBIS. Our district has the PBIS behavior management plan in place. We've modified it slightly, but I know we're working away from doing the clip up and clip down charts. So for the older kids, this would be a great solution. It's very discreet. You don't have to make a big show out of doing it. Now for those kiddos that really need that reinforcement, I would definitely make a point to show like, hey, you did this. I am rewarding you. They have some really great webinars that go over it. There's a teacher's forum. But what I want to do is kind of just play around on it. Since I don't have a class set up quite yet, since I'm new to this, I kind of looked at it last year but didn't really get that much into it. I just kind of stopped, like it was like, oh, here's this new activity, this new resource, but now I didn't have time last year to really play with it. So it's still relatively new to me. So what you would do is if you want to play with the demo class, you need to tell them if you're in an elementary school or a middle school. Since I teach 6th grade, our kids are actually in an elementary school in our district, but most things that I do, I'm middle school based. You can even have it go about with the PBIS or general, so you can change your setting, things like that, and then you can also do the social emotional learning. So it'll load a class for you. Okay, we're in that class. So I have my list of students here. Those are my players. The kids are able to design what they look like. I can come over here and I can have class tools. So this is a team picker if I want to do that. It even has a formative review, grade conversions. I mean, it's got all sorts of, it's got a stopwatch in it. If we want to use that, I can just pull up the stopwatch from this and I can have it go. It's a great tool just to be able to use. So maybe my Wheel of Destiny, let's say I want to make a random team. So it'll just group my 4 team members here. Let's say they do an awesome thing in an activity. And so I want to, maybe they were ones that were all following directions. So I can click on following directions and they all get points for that. You can see their overall progress as they're going. You can see what they get HP points for and when it happens. And you can go student by student, like this student here is not going too far. And they're all different. That's the one beauty of this, is it all shows the progress for each individual student. There's a map on here. You can have them start quests. There's a short video on it. It's something that I really want to look towards doing. Whoops, I went to the wrong one. So I'm going to play with my demo class. So I want to give this student, maybe they were listening and speaking, they were following directions. You can also take away hit points. Maybe they used inappropriate or negative language. So you can group them into teams. Maybe you have reading groups and you have them grouped that way. Maybe all of them brought everything. And let's say on a specific day you have students who are absent, so they don't have to lose points from their team that day if they were not there. They can pick what class they are, their HP. You can change what their modifiers are, like you can add some or remove them and then you can give a description if it's something unique to that individual student. And you can see overall class stats. You can see maybe kind of how your day has been going as you go through here. The students can learn different things to increase their players. So this is a great resource if your class loves games and they're wanting to, and you're having maybe some behavioral issues and you just want to reinforce that positive behavior. So I would definitely suggest taking a look at this and integrating it into your curriculum.